It can be tempting to try and hurry when you draw, since really good artists can create amazing pieces in 5 minutes. It's okay to be a slow artist though. If you take your time, you'll create a much better piece. Take it step by step, and even a complicated project won't seem so daunting anymore. Making art is good for you, so do it often. Many studies have shown that making art reduces stress. This particular study measured the amount of the stress hormone cortisol in people's saliva before and after making art. They found that it was significantly reduced after making art. Art can be a good way to relax and de-stress and also process feelings and ideas. There are tons of different options for art mediums. If you like painting, there's oil, acrylic, watercolor, and even more. If you like to draw, you can try pencils, colored pencils, charcoal, pastels, pens, and markers. Plus, there's also sculpting, fabric arts, digital arts, paper crafts, and so much more. Don't limit yourself to just one type of art. You might find that you really enjoy a different medium as well. Experimenting in different mediums can help you grow in your favorite one, as well as help you try new things and learn new skills. Using a reference is one of the best ways to improve your art. Lots of people don't realize just how important this is, and some people think it's cheating to use a picture when you're drawing. But using a reference is how all the great artists create. How are you supposed to create something that looks real if you don't look at the real thing that you're trying to create? Often people complain that they don't know what to create. One of the best ways to get inspired is to look at other people's art. There's some super amazing artists out there just waiting for you to discover them. Museums and art websites are great places to start looking for inspiration. You can also create things from nature, your favorite books, or create a work based off your favorite TV show. There's tons of inspiration just waiting for you to find it.